Hey, high leveler, it's Andrew. And if you don't know about local presence dialing already, today I'm telling you that it is here on mobile. So you can use the Lead Connector or the GoHighLevel mobile app in order to make phone calls from your device and utilize local presence dialing through the app. Now, if you don't have local presence dialing already set up, you can go to settings, phone system, and then voice, and then you can go to other settings in the right-hand side. Then under outbound calls, you can see at the very bottom, we have default number for outbound calls. These are our settings that we can configure either between preferred default phone number, preferred phone number assigned to user, or local presence dialing. And all local presence dialing does is it will call from a phone number that is local to the contact based on their area code. So if you have a business that, let's say, is international, you have a phone number purchased for every single state inside the US with their different area codes and such, and let's say you are going to call someone from Texas. Well, whenever you make that call to Texas, regardless of whatever number you have set up on your GoHighLevel account, as long as you have a Texas area code phone number purchased, then it will make that call with that phone number to that individual that is in the state of Texas to increase the likelihood that they will pick up the phone. And there's nothing you actually have to do to set this up besides turning this on inside of your GoHighLevel account on desktop. You'll see a little bit more information about it here, but as long as you have that checked, then whenever you make a phone call from the Lead Connector app, it will call that user with a phone number that's closest to their area code. If you have any questions about local presence dialing, feel free to refer to the help doc or drop a comment on this video or try it out for yourself. You're going to find it's a really good feature, especially if you're doing a lot of outbound calls. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.